How to filter for pets in Airbnb. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can filter for pets during your booking in Airbnb app. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Airbnb there, and once you open it, at the top you can see the search bar where to. You can simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can enter in your destination. Now I'll just select flexible, and then you can select any week that you want and the date, of course, and then it'll ask you who is coming. Now you can see the pet filter here. You can select your number of children, number of infants, and you can see pets option there. If you are bringing a service animal, you can simply tap on bringing a service animal. If not, if it's just a pet, home pet, then you can simply tap on pets, and then you can search it, and you'll get your filtered search available here. So this way you can filter for pets in Airbnb application. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.